Good evening to everyone. I am Dr. Manmohan Singh Chassal, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, DAV PG College, Dehradun. Today we will discuss chromatography and its classification. So, chromatography is a physical method of separation in which the components to be separated are distributed between two phases, one of which is a stationary and the other one is a mobile phases that moves through it in a definite direction. So, chromatography process occur due to the difference in the distribution constant of the individual sample components. So the chromatography can be classified according to the mobile phase, that is liquid chromatography, in which the mobile phase is a liquid, and when the mobile phase is a gas, it is known as a gas chromatography, or that gas chromatography is subdivided into a gas solid chromatography and gas liquid chromatography. And when classification is done according to the packing of the stationary phase, then first one is the thin layer chromatography, in which the stationary phase is a thin layer supported on a glass, plastic or a aluminum plates. And the second one is paper chromatography, in which the stationary phase is a thin film of liquid supported on a inert support. And the third one is the column chromatography, in which the stationary phase is packed in a glass column. Now, third one is the classification according to the force of separation, that is known as a adsorption chromatography. Number 2 is partition chromatography. Number 3 is ion exchange chromatography. Number 4 is gel filtration chromatography. And number 5 is affinity chromatography. Now, first one is a thin layer chromatography. Next is paper chromatography. Then column chromatography. Then ion exchange chromatography. Then gas chromatography. So gas chromatography is a chromatographic techniques that can be used to separate volatile organic compounds. It consists of a flow mobile phase, an injection port, a separation column, that is a stationary phase, an oven and a detector. Last one is a high performance liquid chromatography. So the principle of separation in normal phase mode and reverse phase mode is adsorption. When a mixture of components are introduced into a HPLC column, they travel according to their relative affinities towards the stationary phase. The component which has more affinity towards the adsorbent travel slower. The component which has a less affinity towards the stationary phase travel faster. Since no two components have the same affinity towards the stationary phase, the components are separated. Thank you.